The home improvement industry is evolving fast, and the leaders who invest in their education will absolutely dominate. On August 19th and 20th, join Grosso University at the all-new campus for the Extreme Leadership Workshop, which is an elite 2-day experience built for contractors and business owners ready to lead at the highest level. This workshop is where top leaders in the home improvement industry will come together to share the real blueprint for building an apex-level company. From sales and marketing to production, operations, recruiting, leadership, and culture, you'll learn what it takes to create high-performing teams and scale your business the right way. Whether you choose general admission or the ultimate VIP experience, you'll walk away with actionable strategies, powerful connections, and a renewed vision for your company and your future. Space is extremely limited. Only 100 leaders will have the opportunity to attend this exclusive, life-changing event. If you're absolutely serious about revolutionizing your business and helping elevate the entire industry as a result, this is where you need to be. Secure your seat by contacting Grosso University directly at 888-GROSSO-U or use the link in the description that we provided. I can't wait to see you at the Extreme Leadership Workshop, and on behalf of the entire Grosso University team, yes, you are a closer.